Want to see how a simple edit can change your photos completely? Hi and welcome to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Today's episode covers posing, lighting, camera settings and retouching to perfect your boudoir photography skills. Let's get started. Today's pose is truly stunning and sensual. One that works beautifully for every body type and is always a favorite with our clients. However, it can be a little bit tricky, so let's get started right away. I'll ask our model to sit in front of the couch and shift her hips far enough forward so that she can rest the back of her head comfortably on the seat cushion. The legs should be positioned so that the leg on my side, that's her left leg, is bent more than the right one. We'll also make sure that her hair is elegantly arranged on the couch. If she's wearing a blouse, robe or vest, it should be unbuttoned to cover her torso, but still allow for some movement as we guide her. It will gently open during the movement, but shouldn't fully reveal the chest yet. Now let's focus on the two most important aspects of this pose. First, the hands. To make it easier for the model and create a beautiful hand position, I'll have her perform a flowing motion. I'll ask her to place her fingertips just behind the ears and bring her elbows together as close as possible. From there, I guide her to softly move her hands from her neck to her collarbone, then down to her sternum and finally toward her navel. I'll photograph this entire movement continuously to capture a variety of options. I typically select an image where her hands are between her neck and collarbone, or in this case, where the hands centrally frame her chest. The second point is the lift. I'll ask her to lift her chest as high as possible and even taking a deep breath. This emphasizes her chest beautifully. Additionally, I want her eyes closed, her forehead relaxed and her lips gently parted, or for her to give me a soft smile. For lighting, as always, we're using natural light from the large windows to her left. I'm shooting from behind her, angling over her left shoulder, as you can see. I'm eager to see your take on this pose. Submit your photo. The link is in the description below. Now for the camera settings, I'm shooting with an aperture of f2.8. The shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO is set at 3200. Experience the magic of our advanced presets with the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack and elevate your photography. Let's move on to editing. As always, I start by adjusting the white balance in our studio, that's 5500 Kelvin with a tint of 15. Next, I apply one of our beautiful Boudoir Secrets Masterclass presets. For this image, I'm choosing the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Black and White Bright preset. The exposure already looks great, so I only make minor touch-ups using the spot repair tool or healing tool to smooth out small lines on her forehead. Finally, I adjust the crop to place her more prominently in the frame, and just like that, our stunning boudoir photo is ready. That's it for today's 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Want more now? Click here to watch another video. And remember to subscribe and enable notifications.